Plot the points. Directly, I am taking the question because you are comfortable with the concept. I know that. A 20, B 50, and C 53. Find the coordinate of the point D such that ABCD is a square. I am giving 2 minutes to you. First try it and then we will be discussing this question. Okay. Uh, take 2 minutes only. I am keeping my eye on watch and first try it. Then we will be taking it together. Okay. You can see the question over here. Okay, check it what exactly will be the coordinate of D, so that we will be having ABCD as a square. Okay, are you done? Please unmute yourself and let me know your answer. What will be the coordinate of point D? Anyone who have done, please tell me. You can also write your answer in the chat box if you want. 2, 3. Rest of the student, are you getting the same? Is it 2 comma 3? Is it so?
Ma'am, 2,4.
Okay, Reem says 2 comma 4. Arya said 2 comma 3. Anyone else? Anyone else from here? Who is there? Rumaisha, Galvin, Albina, Simrat. I am waiting for your response also. Zan, let me know. No idea? Let's see how can we do it. So it says that plot the point A, B, C. We need to plot it on the coordinate axis. We need to locate the point on the coordinate axis, and from there we need to figure out that what will be the find the coordinate of point D. So from there we need to figure out what will be the coordinate of point D such that ABCD is a square. So let's locate point A 2 comma 0. So can we say this is point A where the coordinate is 2 comma 0, x is 2, y is 0. This is the point A. Now other point B is 5 comma 0. So here we are having point B which is 5 comma 0. Now point C. Here we are having point C that is 5. X is 5, y is 3. Okay. We need to find point D anywhere. Okay. And we also need to find write what will be the coordinate of point D so that ABCD is a square. If ABCD is a square, then all the side will be of same length. So here what is the length of the side? We can take 5 minus 2. That means 3 unit is the length of the side. And still if you can't understand how 3 unit, then 1 centimeter, or we can say 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. You can see 3 unit is the length of one of the side. This all together is giving us 3 unit. 2 to 3 1 unit, 3 to 4 2 unit, 4 to 5 3 unit. Okay, 3 unit we are getting from again on the y-axis. If the coordinate is 5 comma 3, then that means y is 3. So again on the y-axis you can see we are going 3 unit from 0, from from 0 to 3. So we are going 3 unit up also. That means we have to maintain this 3 unit. Okay, here also we will be coming back 3 unit, and here also we will be just having 3 unit. Okay, that means here x coordinate will be 2 only and y coordinate will be 3. X coordinate will be 2 and y coordinate will be 3 only. Why 3? Why not 4? Because we cannot go up. If here we are having 3, if here the height is 3 centimeter, here also the height has to be 3 only. Okay, then and only then we can say it's a square. Both the height has to be same. What exactly is the height? Height means I am saying if here you are saying y coordinate is 3, that means this total is 3. Then here also y coordinate has to be 3 only. Okay, this also has to be 3. So the coordinate of point D will be 2 comma 3 only. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, are you
Yes,
getting it?
ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. Plot the points minus 3 comma 0, 5 comma 0, 0 comma 4 on Cartesian plane. Just a moment now. Okay, let me give the proper coordinates. So plot the points P minus 2 comma 1, Q 2 comma 1, R 3 comma 2, and S. Here I am adding and S minus 1 comma 2 on Cartesian plane you can write. Name the figure formed. By joining these points. Okay, you need to locate these points and you need to write the name of the figure which you have obtained. Have you obtained a rectangle, a square, a trapezium, like which figure you are getting, a rhombus or what? Okay, do it. Take 2 minutes and do it. Let me know your answer. Then we will be doing it together. Meanwhile, I'm just drawing the coordinate axis. Let me know which figure you got. If you can't see the question, let me show you. Yes, what's your answer? We just need to locate it. Area parallelogram. Any other student who have done what you got?
Ma'am, I got the right answer.
Yes. Can you please repeat it?
Ma'am, I'm not getting it.
You are not getting. That's what you are saying, Reem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No worry. We will be doing it together. Okay. Let's do it. Let's locate these points. Okay. First thing, we need to locate point P, point Q, point R, point S. So P is minus 2 comma 1. That means X is minus 2 and Y is 1. However, one thing I want to mention here, my figure will not be accurate. Your also, because we are not doing it on graph paper. If we will do it on graph paper, or if we will just draw the coordinate axis with the help of scale by maintaining this distance, this distance, this distance, this all the distance equal, then and only then our figure will be accurate. However, let's try and let's see which figure we will be getting. This type of question, when you will get in exam, definitely you will be getting a graph paper along with that to solve this question. Okay, so the first coordinate is P, that is negative 2 comma 1. X is minus 2 and Y is 1. Q, point Q, here in point Q, X is 2 and Y is 1. X is 2 and Y is 1. This is the point Q. Okay. Now point R. R, X is 3 and Y is 2. So X is 3 and Y is 2. Here only we are having point R. Okay, wait. One thing I have located it. It must be above this Q. Okay, let me locate it. So the next point is point R, where X is 3 and Y is 2. So it will be here. Okay, R. X is 3, Y is 2. And the next point we are having is S, where X is minus 1 and Y is 2. Okay, it will be above this one. You can check that our figure is not perfect because we have not taken this distance properly. Okay, let me take this distance like assumption also quite properly, because here if we will join it, let me join. Let me draw it again so that it will make sense to you also, otherwise you will also end up getting confused. So we are having 1 2 3, this much only we are having, no? Let me take 1 2 3. Carefully I am trying to take it almost same measurement. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. There also 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we will be doing it because previously, if I would have drawn and told you the shape, you there like it was very like I have not taken the proper measurement and all, so maybe the figure will not look perfectly over here. So let's locate the point quickly. P is minus 2 comma 1. P is minus 2 comma 1. This is P. Q is 2 comma 1. This is Q. Now R is 3 comma 2. R is this. Wait. X is 3, Y is 2. X is 3, Y is 2. This is R. Okay. 3 comma 2. 2 comma 1. Minus 2 comma 1. And S is minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2. This is S. Now we will get a proper picture, okay, which will be clear to you. Let's join PS, then SR, then RQ, and then PQ. It looks like parallelogram only, but we need to check whether the opposite side having equal length or not. Okay, so we need to confirm also whether the opposite sides are having equal length or not. So here y coordinate is 2 and here y coordinate is 1. That means distance between both the y coordinate is 1 unit over here. Okay, we have gone from 1 to 2. From first floor, we have gone to second floor. Here also from y coordinate, if we will see, from first floor, we are going to second floor. So 1 unit, we are moving up. Yes, opposite sides are also same length. Let's see the other opposite side, that is SR and PQ. So here we are going from minus 2 to 2. And here we are going minus 3 minus 1 to 3. Wait, is it so? So the distance between minus 2 to 2 is 2 minus minus 2. That means 2 plus 2, that is 4. And here on the above one, we are having the distance 3 minus minus 1. If you are wondering what exactly I am doing, you can find the distance between two coordinate if you are having one of the coordinate as a 3 comma 2, another coordinate as a 5 comma 3. So x-axis, how much distance is there, we will be taking this value and we will subtract this value. Okay, we say there is a formula to find the distance, that is b minus a, that will give you the distance. Okay, on the number line, if we are having a number 7 and if we are having a number 10, and if we have to find the distance between it, then we can do 10 minus 7, that is 3 unit. We are having the distance, or 3 meter 3 centimeter. If we don't know whether it is meter or centimeter, we can say it is 3 unit. Okay, if you have to find the distance between 7 and minus 7, this distance, then you can take b value, that is 7, minus a value, that is minus 7. That means the distance is 7 plus 7, that is 14 unit is the distance. Are you getting it? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
how we will be calculating the distance when we are talking about number line. And our coordinate, this coordinate axis is nothing but the combination of number line only. A horizontal number line is there, a vertical number line is there, and we are calling it x-axis and y-axis, right? So if we have to find the distance, if we have to find the distance between PQ and SR, I'll be taking x coordinate over here and x coordinate over here, and I will be doing the same thing, that is B minus A. And you can see we are getting 4. If we have to find the distance between SR, we will be doing x coordinate over here and x coordinate over here. We will be taking, again we will do B minus 8, that means 4. So yes, the distance opposite side is having equal length, hence it's a parallelogram. It's not a rectangle because we can see 90-degree, each interior angle is not having 90 degrees. So basically it's not a rectangle, it's a parallelogram. Is it clear? Yes, Arya, perfect. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Let's move ahead. A short question. Okay, 1 marks question. Find the perpendicular distance of the point P from the y-axis. How to do it? What will be the perpendicular distance of a point P from the y-axis? Take 1 minute and let me know your answer. Meanwhile, let me search another question. Answer is, it's 1 marks question. Okay, if you are drawing the coordinate axis, I believe it will take time. Do it. Yes, Arya, no worries. We will be doing it together. Okay, at least you tried, that's enough. Okay, I want everyone to try like that only. Be it a wrong answer or right answer, that depends. But please try at least. And you are trying, that's a great thing, Arya. Always
Yes,
maintain
ma'am.
it. Okay, while doing any class anywhere, maybe you will just move to shift to higher grades also, you will go in colleges also, always just have this curiosity and just give your response also, that what you are thinking about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this question says find the perpendicular distance of a point P. First thing first, we will be locating point P. Point P, the x is 5, y is 7. X is 5, y is somewhere here, maybe 7. So this is point P, where x is 5, y is 7. Okay. Now we have to find the distance, perpendicular distance of this point uh, from the y-axis. Let's drop the perpendicular. Let's drop the perpendicular on y-axis. This will be the perpendicular on y-axis. What is this distance? Can I say this distance and this distance is exactly same? Can I say yes or no? Can we say that distance, the above is chi1 and the below is chi1 will be exactly same? If it doesn't look like that, because I have not taken the coordinates, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 properly. And if you are not understanding why I'm saying again and again, I have not taken the number properly, because when we are drawing the coordinate axis, then distance between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, all the distances have to be same. That's what we are having in graph paper, and that's why we'll be getting a perfect figure over there. Here, when I am locating 1, 2, 3, 4, when I am writing, the distances are not same. Okay, so basically if we are saying that the coordinate of point P is 5 comma 7, that means here we are having 5 and here we are having 7, and the distance of a point P, perpendicular distance of a point P, when we will drop a perpendicular on y-axis, this perpendicular distance, this, let's say this is q, this perpendicular distance pq will be exactly same as oa. Can you see, over here that pq is nothing but same as a oa, and what is oa? 5. So pq will also be 5. Can I say?
Yes, mom.
Are you getting it? What is the perpendicular distance of a point P when we will drop a perpendicular on x-axis? So on x-axis, when you will drop the perpendicular, like this is nothing but the y coordinate, that is 7. Getting?
Yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let's move ahead. Okay, one long answer type question. Okay, right, take your time. For this one I'll be giving 5 minutes. Okay, and let me know whether you can or not. Write the coordinate of the vertices of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 6 and 3 units respectively. One vertex at the origin, the longer side lies on y-axis, and one of the vertices lies in second quadrant. This much information is given, and accordingly we have to draw a rectangle and we have to write our answer, that is the coordinate of the vertices of the rectangle. Take 5 minutes and do it. Then we'll be doing it together. Please try it, everyone. Then only you will be able to understand whether if your concept is clear in coordinate geometry chapter, then only you will be able to do this question. Okay, we will be having a detailed explanation of this question, but before that, please try it at least once. Okay, we have already, it's 5 minutes. Anyone? 0, 0, -60, -63. Let me write it on the screen. 0, 0, -60, -6, 3, and 0, 3. Okay, let's see whether this is the answer what we are going to get on. Everyone, have you done? Anyone else? Let me know.
Ma'am, I write, but I'm not sure is it my answer is right or wrong.
Yeah, can you please repeat, Reem?
I'm not sure if my answer is right or wrong.
It's okay, Reem. Even if you are not sure, I say no. Please tell me what's your answer. Please let me know.
Ma'am, first one is 0,5.
0,
5.
other one.
3,2.
3, 2, you said.
Yes.
Next.
-5,0.
Next.
Minus it's -5,3.
Okay, let's check. Anyone else? Alvina. Okay, I am writing answers over here. Arya, Reams, Alvina. 0, 0, 0, -3, -3, 6, and 0, 6. Anyone else? Please let me know your answer. Now only we will start discussing this question. This
Ma'am,
way
third
only
one
you
is
will,
-5. Third one.
your third one dream is -5,
Yeah.
0, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, let's start. First thing first, let me draw the coordinate axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I'm keeping it this much. If we will need more numbers, then I'll write. Let me check the question. Write the coordinate of vertices of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 6 unit and 3 unit. Length is 6 unit and breadth is 3 unit. Okay. Respectively, one vertex at origin. So one of the vertex already it's given that is on the origin. One of the vertex it is at origin. So one of the coordinate will be 0, 0. Okay. Now, yes. Reem, in your answer 0, 0 is not there. Why? Can you see this one? One vertex at the origin. Can you read it? So one of the vertex is at origin and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Okay? No worries.
Oh,
You tried, that's enough. Let's move ahead. The longer side on y-axis. So the longer side is on y-axis. What is the length? Longer side means that side will represent the length. And we know the length is 6 unit. So maybe, we are not sure. Okay, still we are not sure. Maybe one of the like coordinate is this one. Maybe. We are not sure. The sky one is the permanent one, and this one I have just marked according to the next information which was given as the longer side is on y-axis, and longer side means it must represent the length. Length is 6 units, so I have taken from 0 to 6. Okay, let's see what else is given. And one of the vertices lie in the second quadrant. So one of the vertices lies in the second quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. When we were discussing the concepts in coordinate geometry chapter, then this concept also we have discussed how to name the quadrant, which one is first, which one is second, which one is third, and which one is fourth. We have to take it in this order only, we cannot change the order. Okay, 1 2 3 4 by anything, any way, whatever we want to take, we can't take like that. This is the first, other when we will move towards the left it is second, then we will move down it is third, and then we will move right it is fourth. This is how the name of the quadrant is supposed to be. Now it says that the longer side lies on the y-axis and one of the vertices lie in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant one of the vertices lie, and we know that it's a rectangle. So whatever we have taken, no other information is given. So whatever we have taken, uh, a point on the y-axis, this 6. Here the coordinate of this point is x is 0, y is 6. This is perfect. Now we have to make a rectangle where the breadth is 3 unit. Okay, the breadth is, this is the length, and the breadth will be 3 units. So from 0, 1, 2, 3. This is where we have to stop. Can you see? From 0 we need to move 3 unit towards the left, because the question is talking about second quadrant. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. If you can see, 3 unit we need to take as a breadth. Okay. So our next point, the next sky mark will be here, and here the coordinate will be x is -3, y is 0. What about the other coordinate? We have got 3 point. Okay, we have got 1 2 3. 3 is sky dot. If you can see on the screen, those are the 3 point. The fourth point we need to figure out. So I can say the fourth point will be parallel to this one. because it's a rectangle. So from 0 we have to go 6 unit up only, because here it's 6 unit up, 6 unit up. So there also it must be 6 unit up. Then and only then we will be saying that opposite side are equal, and hence it's a rectangle, right? So here what will be the coordinate? X will be -3 and y will be 6. Okay, we will join it like this and you can see we got our rectangle. First coordinate 0, 0, another coordinate 0, 6, next coordinate -3, 6, next coordinate -3, 0. 0, 0, Alvina, 0, -3, -3, 6, 0, 6. Alvina's one is perfect. Excellent. Let me check. Arya's also 0, 0, -6, 0. Arya, we don't have -6, 0.
I checked length as
If
x-axis.
you will take downside, suppose instead of upside, I am taking the other point on the downside. Then my rectangle will move like this. And then you can see it's in the third quadrant, not in the second. Right, Arya?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so yeah, this is how we will be making the figure, and this is what we'll be getting. You have tried Reem and Arya, you two have tried Alvina also. That's a great thing. Okay, please make this revision series successful. You have to respond. Whatever you think, you have to like please tell us. Then and only then I'll be able to know that like what you are thinking, where exactly, what is your strong point, what's your weak point, where exactly you need to work on. Exam is there, okay, and you all are sitting here so that you can give your best in the exam, right? So for that you have to participate over here. Let's take another question. To both of you, Alvina, Arya, yeah, these three students have only responded. No other student have responded from here. Okay, whatever you are thinking, again and again I am saying please respond, but no one is responding. Ifra is there, Avni is there, Galvin is there, Abdul is there, Riaz is there. Everyone is there, but no one is responding. Please keep on responding, okay? Arya, Reem, Alvina, you three are doing great job. Please keep on responding. Be it a right answer, be it a wrong answer, please keep on responding, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let's take another question. And to you also, to both of you, you both are doing great job. Let's take another question and think about it. A very basic question. If the coordinate of 2 points are P -2, 3 and Q -3, 5, then find abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q. Okay, this one everyone can try. I can understand the previous one. It was the language or the statement was not that like it was quite tricky, but you can try this one. This one you will be, everyone will be able to do. Please respond it. Either you can unmute yourself, you can tell your answer, I'll be writing it over here, or you can, if you don't want to unmute yourself, please write your answer in the chat box. Okay, I'm expecting answer of this one from everyone. Please do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am,
Yes, already
give
I.
me a minute, ma'am. Give me a minute.
Yes, Ifra. One. Anyone else?
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm just doing it. Just a minute.
Take your time. No worries. Take your time. Abscissa of P is -2 and Q is -3. Maybe. And we need to do the subtraction. Do it. Do it, Arya. Please do the next step also if you have identified the abscissa. What is the answer? Let me know your answer. Okay, Arya. Now only we will be seeing. Okay. Anyone else? Alvina 5.
Ma'am, I'm solving it. Just give me a minute. I'm just trying to.
Yeah, yeah. Take your time. But this is just 1 marks question. Okay. So please don't give that much time also. You need to be quick because this will not take that much time. It's just 1 marks question. So if do it, try it, then we will take it. Anyone else? Please write your answer in the chat box or you can unmute yourself also. Ream 1. Okay. Anyone else? I have got 4 responses. Ifra, Arya, Alvina, Reem. Anyone else? Write it in the chat box. I'm expecting answer from everyone. Rumaisha, what happened? Riaz, Abdul, Galvin, Avni. Okay, let's do it. If you are not getting, no worries. Rumaisha -5. Abdul 2. Okay. Yeah, this is how I want to just carry on this revision series so that it seems like we are doing the revision. Uh, what we do always, it just seems like we are starting a chapter, we are just discussing it. I am just explaining, keep on explaining, and no one is responding. This is how revision series we have to continue. Let's check what will be the answer. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks a lot for responding. Okay, let's check. So we are having a point P, we are having point Q. Now, whenever we are having a coordinate in the form of x comma y, x is known as the name of x. The way I am having my name as a Namrata, you are having your name as a Reem, Ifra, Arya, Rumaisha, Abdul, Zan, okay, Alvina, Avni. The way you are having your name, same way this first x coordinate is called also called as abscissa, and this y1 is called as ordinate. Okay, it's just the another name of y coordinate. So if we have to take the abscissa of p, we know this first one is known as abscissa, that means -2. If we have to take abscissa of q, that means we know this -3 is called abscissa, that means -3. Okay, now what we will do, we need to do the subtraction. Let's do it. So -2 minus of -3, that means -2 plus 3, that means 1. Let's check it. Here we were having p's abscissa as a -2, Q's abscissa as a -3. So our answer is 1. Okay? Whatever be the answer, if you have tried, you have done a great job today. Okay? So answer doesn't matter. For that only we are just having this class so that we can just give our opinion, be it a right, be it a wrong. If you have tried, that's enough. So yes, but this is how we have to do it. Abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q. Abscissa of P is -2, abscissa of Q is -3, and in between both there is a subtraction sign. We have to write both the numbers in a bracket. Then and only then you will avoid the mistake. Okay? If you will not
Yes.
write the bracket -2 -3 directly, you will write, you will end up getting minor mistake, that is -5 your answer will be. But be careful, this is just a abscissa, this is just a abscissa, and in between that there is a minus. Okay, and this minus minus will become plus, and then we will get our answer as a 1. All right. Okay, so I am keeping it this much, and in next class